Hi, my name is Fiorella, and today we are going to present the activity number 11. So, today the objective of this presentation is to explain certain topic and how, the reason why we put the information this way. So, we are going to, of course, start with the agenda. In this activity, the objective was to organize all the information that was given of certain topic and organize it in the best way possible for the corporate meeting to go the best way. So first to start, we have the agenda. Of course, the agenda has the introduction that will last 5 minutes. We have the analysis of the escriturados y bodegas that will last 10 minutes. The distribution of the cajones and bodegas that will last 15 minutes. And we have the analysis, they analyze the size of the bodegas that will last 10 minutes, and we have the expenses analysis that will last 10 minutes also. So of course, after we explain everything, it is really important to know the comments and the recommendation that the person that is watching the presentation can give to us. So it's really important to at least put 5 minutes to listen to the person. So these will be the main points that we thought were really important when we are going to talk about this topic and when we analyze the information that was given to us. So to start, of course, the first important topic that we needed to describe was how many estructurados and bodegas were a total. And of course, we have, after we did the analysis, we have 100% on both of the data on the estructurados and the bodega. And I wanted to put it this way because it's like a more visual way. You can see like the number, the 100% is the biggest number, so you can see that this is the important information that is given in this slide. Also the estructurados en bodega, we can see like the big words that it is the most important thing in this slide also. So now I also, when I was like designing these slides, I thought that it was like a really good way to put it in this way, like with information with text and the number 100%, but I also thought it was really good to put it more in a visual way. For example, I wanted to put it here with an image and also with the numbers, so it was like more visual for the person who's watching the presentation. And now we have the understanding the distribution and parking space and storage units. And this is also really important. Of course, when we were analyzing the information, we saw that there were parking spaces based on their type, their size, and the location. And this data help us to understand where the spaces are located, the variety of sizes, and how can we optimize the use of each space. So of course I wanted to put like two images, like for example like what we were seeing, and then on the next slide I wanted to put like the example that was given to us that I think it's really important when you're going to explain it in a presentation. Of course, this is a model of everything, so I thought this was like the biggest point when you're going to talk about this topic. So I wanted to put like this example of how you can see these cajones en bodega, how they are located, like their size, their spaces. And yes, I thought that this was a really good idea. Again, I am trying to put the presentation in more like you have text you can read, but also you have something visual that will make the presentation a little bit better and more dynamic, because you are putting the 2 points or the two data, important data to the people. And then we have this other point that is really important. How will you present a proposal on where to locate cars, chargers for electric cars? Okay, so this is really important also. In here, I just wanted to put like main points. For example, I put power availability. I put proximity to parking spaces, accessibility, and user convenience. Why did I put these four points separate and not? I tried to put like separate, and also like not really like uh, I don't know how to say, like, you're seeing the words, but it's not like something like so wow. So you are just looking at the words. It's something really simple. I think that's the best way to say it. So yeah, I just wanted to put it like simple and with an image in the middle of it, so people will understand what I'm trying to talk about. Of course, when I'm explaining this, I think it's really important to also, when I'm explaining it, to go point by point and why did I thought that it was important, these 4 points. And so yeah, I thought that this would be the best way to explain this, to put on or to combine just the text and the visual aids. That's more like my way on to do a presentation. I think it's really important when you put me just like the most important information of each text, but also something visual that I can see, that I can like put an image on, and on how to recreate the information that is given to me and to explain it in my head. Let's just put it that way. So yeah, that's why I will actually like explain the information this way, and why I put it this way, because I think that putting these two type of visuals, it's really important when you're going to present something to someone, especially like an important matter like this one.
Hi, I'm Samantha, and today I'm going to talk about the other part of the activity number 11. First one, I want to talk about the size of bodegas. In this case, are three size of bodegas, but I want to put more examples of size of bodega, because it's so important that you know what size of bodega you want to need or you want to have, because it's not the same in this example a micro bodega and a mini bodega. As you can see, sorry, the things that you can put in one and another is so different. But in this case are three categories of bodega. The first one is small, that is smaller than 20 square meters. The second one is the medium, that is between 20 and 15 square meters. The large bodega is longer than 50 square meters, and it's important that you know the size of your bodega. In this slide is a bar chart comparing the expenses for July, August, and September in the category of cleaning, maintenance, and gardening. These charts allow for an analysis of how expenses vary month by month, making it easier to identify increases or decreases in each category. For example, it can show if maintenance costs went up or down in a specific month. This information is a key to understand trends and planning the budgets for future months. These slides represent the main categories that we can see before, that it's cleaning, maintenance, and gardens. The pie chart, that is this one, can help us to visualize the proportion of each category in relation to the total expenses. This chart make it easy to understand how expenses are distributed across different areas. By showing the proportion, we can quickly see the most of budgets goes to clean and maintenance, with evaluating the relative importance of each expensive and making informed decision on resource allocation. This is all for today. Thank you so much for your attention.